Hello, my name is Amakayepo. I come from the Igbo nation in Nigeria, Africa. I teach Igbo Spirituality. Every month I do one video, a way to appreciate my followers that are non-Igbo. So this is my March 2025 video. The topic I wish to share with you today is the days of the week in Igbo calendar. So just like we know we have 7 days in the English calendar, in Igbo calendar we have 4 days. We usually refer to them as market days. And there are Eke, Orie, Afo, Nkwo, 4 days of 4 market days. So the beginning of the week is Eke, followed by Orie, Afo, Nkwo. The Igbo days are all connected to a particular deity. So they are spiritual, they have spiritual significance. Like we all know that the elements of life are carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, and nitrogen, which we can find in the sun, in the wind, in the water, and in land. So in Igbo spirituality, every day is connected to a life element, and a major deity. So Eke is connected to the sun. Anyanwu, we call it in Igbo. Orie is connected to water. Afo, connected to land, earth. Nkwo is connected to the wind. Every Igbo child is born on a particular market day, obviously. And we believe that the energies that work with a particular day follows the child. So it's important that every child, every Igbo person knows the market day of their birth. Also in Igbo spirituality, there are certain projects, events, activities that we do in a particular day because of its spiritual significance. For instance, because Eke has a fire element, it's usually used to do something, to start a new thing. Fire, because it's connected to rebirth, creation, creativity, passion. So Eke is usually used for events or rituals of such. Another example is like the Orie, because it's connected to the water element. It's used for purification, rituals. Yeah. So that is it. Perhaps it's similar to your own culture or tradition. So that's the aspect of Igbo spirituality I wish to share with you. And every child born in a particular market there also goes by a spiritual name in Igbo nation. So if you're born on Eke, you're Nweke, a child of Eke. Nworie, Nwafọ, Nwankwo. Thank you. I hope you've enjoyed the teaching, and perhaps you're thinking deep and trying to make the connection with your own tradition or your own belief. Thank you once again. I wish you God's blessing, guidance, and protection. I pray that you stay in good health, and I wish you success in everything you do. And I thank you for following me. And I'll see you again in April. So this is my month of March 2025 video. So I appreciate your support. Thank you again, and stay blessed. Bye.